Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Teams and selecting Calendar so you can see availability at a glance. Once done, verify you're signed into the correct account and grant calendar permission. This prevents missing events later. Next, set your default work hours and time zone so invites auto-suggest correct slots. Then click New Meeting, add a concise title, pick a date and time, and include required attendees. This first actionable step creates an event draft you'll flesh out in the next slide. Now dial in the details. Open the scheduling assistant to compare calendars and pick a time that minimizes conflicts. This saves follow-up email back and forth. Once you've picked a slot, add a channel if the meeting's for a team, choose a room resource, and paste an agenda or attach files so participants arrive prepared. Set recurrence and reminders, then open meeting options to control presenter roles and lobby behavior. These choices reduce interruptions and clarify expectations before you send the invite. Finish by sending the invite and watching RSVP responses so you can adjust logistics. When the meeting starts, join from the calendar entry. Use the integrated chat, OneNote or meeting notes, and record when appropriate to capture decisions. After the meeting, update the event or follow up with attachments and action items. If attendees don't see invites, make sure permissions and mailbox sync are correct, confirm the calendar was shared, and verify Teams' desktop or web status. These checks resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.